Let's read with Miss Iman.
Big city, small city. The biggest city in the world is Tokyo in Japan. It's on the biggest island of Japan, Honshu. Tokyo is home to one of the largest fish markets in the world. More than 2,000 tons of fish are sold every day. The Tokyo Sky Tree is one of the tallest towers in the world at 634 meters tall. The busiest railway station in the world is Shinjuku Station in Tokyo. 1.2 billion people use the station every year. There are people who push passengers into the trains to get as many people in as possible. Nuuk is one of the smallest capital cities in the world. The city is very beautiful, with mountains on one side and the sea on the other. There are small rivers that go through the city too. There's a market every day in the city where you can buy fresh fish and seal meat. Nuuk is one of the coldest capital cities in the world. The temperature is below zero for many months of the year. The coldest month is February, with temperatures as low as -13 degrees Celsius. Visitors to Nuuk often go to see whales, which visit the waters around the city in the summer months.